Now, builders, they can be a great contact to have within your network, sort of thing. They're always building extensions, they're always doing work, and they always need an electrician. So, having a good contact as a builder, a good contact with a builder, maybe, is a good asset for your business because they'll always be sending you bits and bobs and work your way. You think they're always working in people's houses. And if someone asks them, do you know a good electrician? If you do a lot of work for them, they're always going to recommend you. But again, there's some bad eggs. We call them cowboy builders. I got a call from a builder one day. I'm unsure where he got my number from, but obviously he got my number, gave me a call, said, are you an electrician? Yes. Can you give me a quote? Not a problem. And these builders, they were building a house on just one plot of land, just one house. And for an electrician, you sort of, that's like a dream job. You can start from scratch. Everything you do is sort of brand new. So you can do it nice, neat, and tidy. So it's where you can present basically your best work on a new build, especially just one new build. You've not got like rush, rush, rush where you got 10 to do and you're pushed to do them all. If you've got one like house that you've got to wire, it's sort of a bit more laid back. So I like doing them. I like doing new build houses. It's easy. So I turned up on site. Obviously, the footings were going in. The house was halfway up, and that's where he was looking for a builder. So I said, give me your drawings. You must have drawings to say where you want maybe sockets and lighting and how you want it to work out. What's the layout going to be like? But he did. He was all prepared. He had the drawings. So he emailed me the drawings for me to be able to give him a quote from the drawing. And then he phoned me up, said, fantastic. That quote is great. We'd like to go ahead. Well, I said, just send me a quick email to say, look, you'd like to confirm with that price that I've gave you. And then we can book in a day for me to make a start. So the house was up, the roof was going on. So that was sort of the perfect time for me to jump in and start my first fix. Boom, bang that out within a week. It was lovely and easy. I think there was just me and the plumber in there, and I was cracking on. We were talking with each other where our pipes and cables were going to go to make sure that that job went perfectly. And in my head, as I remember it to this day, that was a lovely, neat job. All the cables were clipped beautifully, even run a couple of coaxials to every room. So I was well happy with what I did there. I did work hard, mind you, and I suppose hard working electricians are a bit hard to find these days. As stated in the quote, I would have to bill him 50% after first fix. And this would cover basically the cable and some of the wages for the first fix. Not all of it, mind you. So that was a good start. If I could just bill him 50%, he agreed the quote. So I'm assuming that he agreed the terms and conditions of payment as well. Well, he sent me an email confirming it. So he did. And just to be polite, because I know people are busy, I gave it a week or two just to let him get back to me or to pay the invoice. And to be polite after the week, I'd maybe give them a call to say, did you get the email? Did you get the invoice? Because sometimes things get lost. Maybe they might have not spotted the invoice. They might not have got it. So anything could have happened. But he did answer his phone.